Away they go. More from the outside, Livingstone down on the inside, rising up his solar power, spellbinder, black label, Santiago alongside Spirit Kim, number 1 Kim Possible, Gray Magic, passing the half mile post, more by Alan Canha, followed by Livingstone in second, Black Label racing in third by about 5 lengths, Spellbinder, and Solar Power, another far turn, more by about 2 lengths, followed by entry number 6, Livingstone, Black Label racing on the outside, Spellbinder, as they race the final corner, more by about 2 lengths, entering the last 200 meters, more to run, more by a length and a half, and on the outside, Spellbinder, Livingstone, Black Label, took more by up a length, Spellbinder is on the outside, took more, Spellbinder, took more, and finally, Spellbinder, took more, Black Label, Ray Magic, and Livingstone for your Pentafecta.